The Blue Mountain Coffee Festival is celebrating everything coffee.
Not sure if it was the caffeine, but everyone seemed to have been on a high for this festival. It was pure niceness all around.
A coffee festival. Listen, today me rise like the sunrise, my bright and my upright. No one can break my vibe. I'm in a crew who want fight, who want criticize. I'm on the higher heights. Tell them, say what you want to, do what you want to. It's no concern to me. And if you feel alright in the party, well everybody just move with me.
It's good, very good.
Jamaican coffee culture was on display. As Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett puts it, coffee is a preferred drink and Jamaica's bean is considered the best in the world.
It is part of that wider policy acting out by way of a strategy that is to bring more Jamaicans into a realization of our cultural assets and for us to consume more of our own. And then secondly, to bring the world to us to enjoy and to consume at a price all of these wonderful assets that we have. It's enabling the world to come and to not just to taste the richness and the uniqueness of the Jamaican coffee strain, but it's also to show what can be done with coffee, the numerous applications of economic value that can inure from this experience, and how our artisans and our farmers and our creative people can use this asset to create wealth and to make a better community. So the festival, yes, it is about camaraderie, it's about bringing people together. Yes, it's about culinary delights and imbibing, but it's also about a greater economic good, which will see to the enrichment of our Jamaican people.
The Jamaica Defence Force Newcastle training base provided the location for the foreplay with coffee. There was no conflict in sight, but rather an interest by the young and mature to indulge in the bean at the country's highest peak. With the mist hovering, patrons sampled and tested all there was to offer.
The beer vanilla nutmeg, it is awesome. Well, first of all, my hand feels smooth and soft and sexy, so it's really lovely.
We have a coffee cake for 300.
Dozens of local brands showcased the best of coffee byproducts and how the bean may be stretched to gain needed foreign exchange.
Of our coffee rum cake here, so what you get is a nice decadent cake. It's, trust me, wonderful.
What we are doing today is very old school style brewing method called pour over coffee. That's basically we are doing everything from scratch. Grind here and then brew here and then serve fresh.
I have to thank the Ministry of Tourism for that particular insight in understanding that for the coffee farmers to do well, we have to move from just thinking about coffee as a drink. I love it when they make it in those nice iced drinks as well. I love coffee cake. I love coffee sweetie. Lord, I don't understand. All those liquor brittles with the coffee and the peanut or the cashew. Coffee to the world.
The inaugural staging of the Blue Mountain Coffee Festival has set the stage for what is expected to be an even greater event in the future.
I've been waiting for something like this.
We're going to market it internationally. We're going to get into the magazines and into the digital marketing avenues. So we're going to utilize all the media to showcase the images of Jamaica through this festival. And it is going to be a huge marketing point for us.
I am having the cappuccino spiked with a little Bailey's rum cream. Yeah, it's a good experience and it has potential for growth and it has also potential for tourism growth as well.
I'm from St. Mary and it's wonderful and it's very nice to see that we've got such beauty in Jamaica
And most of the time, we Jamaicans, we don't know about these places. I've tried the coffee liqueur, and it's wonderful, so I'm going to get a bottle to take back with me.
Amazing. It's absolutely, I've never been to the Blue Mountains before or anywhere up this high, and it's gorgeous. Surprised at how many people are here and how much is here on offer. It's wonderful. It's fabulous. We've had a great time.
Coffee ice cream, great, absolutely fantastic. It has this creamy, velvety taste, and it was made right in front of me, right there, by Candy's Delight. To try, definitely. It is something to behold. Real coffee is blending there. It's my first time here and absolutely loving it. I love the different products and everything.
Well, next year everybody come on out.